So today is a super fun day that I'm pretty stoked on. It's finally happening. And I'm headed to San Luis Obispo for a camper shell to turn this baby into a truck bed camper. Kind of an idea I had last Sunday, and then from Sunday to Saturday I was able to get a camper shell for relatively cheap on Craigslist. So now I gotta go get it. Can't wait. I love living somewhere where winter doesn't really exist. It's kind of nice. I mean, we have winters here, but you kind of got to drive for it a little bit. Not complaining at all. Alright, I made it to this dude's house. I'm gonna put the GoPro up on the rear view and record this thing all spy-like and stuff and see what happens. Got my truck running finally. Got the shell on, looks sick. I'm super stoked on it. Love that I can have my window open because it has one of the little pass-through gaskets. I think it needs a little adjustment. And super stoked to got my truck running. I thought I was gonna be stuck in slow for a lot longer. I'm glad I didn't have to trailer it back because my dad's truck's not big enough, and that would have been a nightmare on its own. I feel like the little mini window is just a tunnel for sound. I never really think about how loud my exhaust is until it's just funneling through. So yeah, stoked. On the way back to Lompoc now. Can't wait. Woo!